Hello everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations. We've got another great recipe for you. It is a summer recipe, a Chipotle-Pimento Cheese Dip. It is super easy to make, no cooking required, so anybody can do it. So please check it out, because here it comes. Okay, we want to start with an 8-ounce package of cream cheese and a mixing bowl. And you want to let the cream cheese stay in the package and come to room temperature before we even start messing with it. Okay, so we have our cream cheese, 8 ounces, in a bowl here. I'm going to add a couple tablespoons or so of heavy whipping cream, just so we can get a more of a dip-like consistency here. And we'll get our hand mixer, since I got a trusty dusty old school hand mixer, and we'll get this a mix and get it combined. Alright, so I added about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and it was still just a little bit too thick, so I added probably another tablespoon, so about 3 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. So there we go, we got it to that consistency, and we're going to go ahead and get our mix to add in, to fold in. Okay, I've got a little food processor here, so we're going to get our ingredients mixed up for the dip. I've got my cream cheese mixture set to the side, chilling, so we'll go ahead and get this started here. I've got a shallot that's diced up, so we'll need one of those. I also have a couple stalks of celery diced up. And then we have our cherry peppers or pimento. These come in a jar. It's hard to find them fresh, but I got about 10 of those. And then we have about 2.5 or 2 large cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. And then I have about 2 chipotle peppers and adobo. So we'll get that all in there. And we'll get this pulsed down. Okay, so I got the lid on, and like I said, we'll just pulse this down until it mixes like so. And I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, it's a little too thick, so I'm gonna add just a splash of water like so, filtered water, and continue pulsing. Okay, I've almost got it to where I want it, but before I continue with the final couple pulses, I'm gonna go ahead and add a pinch or so of kosher salt, like so, and some cracked black pepper. And that should finish it off. Like I said, I'm going to give it a couple more pulses. So we put our lid back on. Until we got like our nice salsa there. And we're going to go ahead and fold this in with our cream cheese mixture. Okay, here we are. We have our cream cheese, heavy cream mixture. I have the ingredients that we mixed up here in our food processor. Go ahead and remove the blade out of there. And we'll go ahead and spoon this in. And we'll get this incorporated in with our cheese mixture. So you're just going to fold this in like so. And I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All plated up. Like I said, I have tortilla chips today to eat with this, but you can use your crackers, pita chips, crostini, like so. But I'll go ahead and get this plated up. Okay, there you go. It is our Chipotle-Pimento Cheese Dip. Some celery and tortilla chips for dipping, but you can use crostini, baguette, whatever you like. But cheers to great food. You'll love it. It's super tasty. Enjoy. See you soon.